and see how this guy acts in the wind. Now you can see how stable this guy is. It's sunny. Okay. You can see it's hovering like a GPS. It's moving around though. I don't know what's going on, but wow. And you can see the video is shaking a little bit. All right. There's two return to home looking. That's kind of weird. All right, there's two. Wow. Okay, let's see how he lands. He just landed right away. All right. It's drifting already. And I'm not in a fast mode. I'm in a slow mode. Let's see what we got here. It's a headless. Okay, I'm in a headless. I don't know why they put that headless. I think it's really pointless to have that, because this one right here is already has position sensing, and there's really no point for it to be headless. I mean, all you gotta do is turn around, look at yourself, and then you can see here where I'm at. I'm waving. It's kind of sunny. Let's go ahead and be over here. It's pretty quick. I'm not in a fast mode. And let's see how far can this guy go. You can see right now. Oop. Oh, he said maximum height reach. What? Okay. How come it doesn't show Wi-Fi? Where's my Wi-Fi signal at? So I don't know if in a fast mode, but anyway, you guys can see it now exactly how this thing flies. See, from the wind, it's moving like crazy. Maybe the round shape, that burger effect look. Okay, why is saying maximum reach? Okay, maybe I'm still in the beginner mode. Did he put me in the beginner mode? Okay. Let me go over here for just a second. Let me see if we can do some flips. Okay, I'll do some flips.
Please be careful.
Battery low? I just charged it full charge.
Battery low.
Look at that. Oh, it's moving from the wind. Yeah, this is not a wind flyer. You guys saw that, right? I just did a flip and this guy went all the way out there already. I don't know. And it's not even that windy and this guy is having a hard time already. I mean, it's cool that it talks to you, say battery low, that's a good thing, but it was a full charge. All right, let's do another flip. All right.
Battery low. Please be careful.
Okay, I'm careful. I'm not going anywhere. So yeah, the drawback on this already by me experiencing it is the battery, the wind, and the stabilization is shaky a little bit. I don't know if I'm in the fast mode. Let's go over here. And you can see here from the wind, okay, let's go throttle sensitivity. Let's go high. All right, let's go high. Let's see what's up.
Battery low. Please be careful.
It has a speed to it.
Battery low. Please be careful.
I'm careful. So this is my first flight, and I don't want to go too far.
Careful.
Yeah, but man, this thing drifts through the wind. So I don't know if I'm in the fast mode right now.
Battery low. Please be careful.
Wow, so we did not go too far. So I'm gonna go ahead and land it here because I'm really low in battery. I got like me. It doesn't show you what percentage you are on, how much battery you have. Let's see, let's drain all the battery just to see what's. It doesn't have the Wi-Fi, like, you know how you with the Tello you go far, it'll show you how far you are from the Wi-Fi. This guy doesn't have that. I'm gonna go and reach for the more for the, I call this manual, see if I can find that. And I'm not sure if I'm using a fast mode right now, but it seems like there's only one mode. Let me see if I can, let me go ahead and see. They got like a machine gun. Okay. Oh wait, he's shooting me. He's shooting me right. Wow, you're shooting me right now. Anyway, yeah, like I said, maybe it needs a firmware update. Yeah, that could be too. Yeah, I'm dead, you got me, dude, you got me. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So when it says battery low, that means you gotta have this guy close to you. Pretty interesting. Well, anyway, this is my first.
Extremely low battery. Please recharge now.
Extremely. Wow. It didn't say extremely weather. So right now it's probably blowing about 15 to 13 miles an hour, and you can see this guy drifting. Maybe because the ways it's not aero and not dynamic enough. That's probably why it's catching on the wind and it's going like this, and I don't know, but right now it's breezy. But yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. And this one is just basically a test. I'm trying to go see my I don't want to compare it, but but with my Tello I can fly from here all the way down there and come back without no problem, like 10 times. I don't know why this guy can even make it back. But anyway, maybe there's more updates. We're gonna go ahead and check it out and go from here. So thanks again, appreciate it.